students, and welcome back to another ES for Business and Life video. And today we have Unit 13. Don't forget we're looking at our beginner's book, and this section will cover the vocabulary of this unit. Let's begin. And today's lesson is about numbers over 100. For example, 325 or 1926. We will also cover millions and thousands as well. Also, the second item we will check is touristic areas, some vocabulary such as metro station and bus tour. Okay, numbers over 100. Well, you know this one is 100 or hundreds only are three-digit numbers. You want to go above that, you will have thousands. Repeat, thousand. And well, if we want to go even beyond that, or when we have seven numbers or seven unit numbers, we have million or millions. Okay, we're not going to be going too deep into millions right now because they're not really necessary. Okay, the order in which we express the numbers above 100 are of course from left to right. So we start here and then we go here and then we go here. What is the result? We have 1,000, 300, and 43. Yes, see what we did there? We started with the biggest number over here, and then we mentioned this one covering these two, and finally we mentioned the last two here. In this case, maybe I ran out of space, but let me erase a little bit so that we can go and answer the second one. Alright, so once again we start from left to right. So we have 26,000 and all we have to do now we have the rest, which is 343. This is optional. You can use the word "and" in order to, because it's a very, very long, well, you don't call it a sentence, a very long word. Do it. 26,343. Okay, moving to sorry for changing topics so quickly, but well, this is what the unit requires of us. Now let's move on to tourism or touristic areas or vocabulary for tourism. When you travel, you're on vacation, and you may want or need this vocabulary. Okay, so please repeat after me. We have metro station, metro station, metro station. Okay, so as you notice here, we have this is the metro, and here's where you can take it. Very important to know where the metro goes to. Don't forget your GPS or your phone or a map so that you don't get lost. Okay, also another thing that you might need is a tour guide. A tour guide is very important and valuable information about the place you are visiting. Maybe you're visiting a big city or a beach or a very famous touristic area. A tour guide will be probably necessary. If you want to know more about a city, about a city's history, or well, just general information, you may want to take tour bus. tour bus. Okay. Well, the next is I wrote two parts because there's a difference between American and British. If we're talking about a place where you can watch our play, such as Romeo and Juliet. Well, this place is called theater. The spelling and the pronunciation change when we talk about this word in the UK. It would be theater. Of course, you are required to use the US form if you are in America. Alright, let's continue then. Okay, another important place you can visit, especially if you are interested in shopping, well, everybody knows this word, is mall. These areas you normally find outlets or boutiques where you can acquire clothes or accessories or video games, etc., etc. Okay, now here I have an example using the vocabulary. We have, it's a good idea to get on a tour bus if you want to know more about the new city you are visiting. Okay, so here's the word and explanation why it is a good idea to use it. You want to know more about the city, the new city you are visiting. Remember that present continuous. We're looking at an example here. And another example, we have malls are a great option if you want to go shopping for clothes and accessories. This is something that I already mentioned. And here we have the word we just learned. Shopping is also a very important word, very common too. You can see some other vocabulary that you might be interested in knowing. Clothes, yes. You probably know these very common words. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget that we just covered, we're almost finished with your beginner's book. It's almost done. We only have 14 and 15 left. And you will have finished beginner's book. Congratulations, you're almost there. You're on your way to elementary. Alright, so I'll see you in our next 4 videos for Unit 14 and Unit 15. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.